My favorite homecoming memory is the football games every year.
I would have to say getting to dress up as weird as I can. Yeah. They've been a little bit boring.
I liked being on the float.
My favorite homecoming memory is going toilet papering with my team because I feel like it's a great team bonding experience.
My favorite homecoming memory is toilet papering and falling over the cement block outside of Akron Rule.
My favorite Akron tradition is definitely TPing the night before Friday. I love doing that with my team.
I think that toilet papering is probably one of the best traditions Akron has because no other school around does it, and it's a great opportunity for all the varsity sports teams to kind of just bond and be together.
I think it'll be the juniors.
I think the juniors are going to win Powderpuff.
Seniors.
That's a hard question, but I think the juniors might win because I heard that they have a strive to really win this year, and I've heard they've been putting in a lot of good work and had a strong work ethic through the last 2 weeks.
I think it'll be close, but I think the juniors will do better.
I think the senior cheerleaders are going to do really good. I kind of saw their dance, and it was really good.
I expect a lot from them, and I think that they're going to do really good because yesterday practice went really well. And I believe that they'll retain everything that we taught them in the past 2 weeks. And I think that they're going to do a great job, and there's going to be a lot of fun moves that we put in there for them.
We have a kid that can do a backflip, and I don't know, I feel like the seniors are just funnier.
I'm going to backflip and back handspring.
Seniors, obviously.
Yeah.
Really good. I'm going to score like 10 touchdowns.
Maybe Logan and Bidek?
No Henry?
Absolutely not.
I think the crowd should look out for everyone, but we do have a really fun part in the halfway of our dance. So I'd keep an eye out for Alex Brandel because he's going to do something really fun. And then Luke Piscatelli is also going to do something really fun halfway through the dance. So keep an eye out for them.